Zovelle Shop is marketed as an online fashion store offering trendy clothing, accessories, and stylish outfits at heavily discounted prices. The product photos look appealing, and the deals can be hard to ignore, but the real question is, should you buy before watching this? Now, to be fair, many online fashion stores offer affordable clothing and frequent sales, and low prices alone don't mean a store is unreliable. What it does well: trendy fashion selection. The store offers a variety of dresses, tops, bottoms, and accessories inspired by current fashion trends. Affordable pricing. Frequent discounts and promotions can make many items seem like great value. Easy-to-use website. Products are organized into categories, making it simple to browse different styles. Where the hype falls apart, quality may not match the photos. The fabric, stitching, and overall finish may differ from what the product images suggest. Sizing can be inconsistent. Like many online boutiques, sizing may vary between products, so checking the size chart is essential. Return policies deserve a closer look. Before ordering, review the refund process, return conditions, and any return shipping costs. So, should you buy from Zovelle Shop? Short answer, maybe, but do your research first. If you like the styles and understand the store's policies, it may be worth trying. But don't rely solely on the marketing photos or discounted prices when making your decision. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.